In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a new opportunity stage in Salesforce. Whether you're managing a large sales team or just need to keep track of your own sales processes, customizing your opportunity stages can make a world of difference. Let's dive in and get started with this straightforward task. First things first, you want to navigate to the setup area. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Once you're in the setup menu, look for the Object Manager tab at the top. This is where all your Salesforce objects are organized, making it an essential hub for managing different elements of your Salesforce environment. Now, locate and select the opportunity object. Opportunities in Salesforce represent potential revenue-generating deals, so customizing this object allows you to better align Salesforce with your sales process. After clicking on Opportunity, you'll want to move over to the left side of the screen and click on Fields and Relationships. This section allows you to customize various fields related to the opportunity object, including the stages we're about to modify. Once you're in Fields and Relationships, search for and click on the stage field name. The stage field is crucial because it tracks the progress of your opportunities through the sales pipeline. By customizing it, you can make sure that it reflects your unique sales process. Scroll down until you see the Opportunity Stage Picklist Values section. This is where all your current opportunity stages are listed. To add a new stage, you'll need to click on the New button. This action will allow you to define the details of your new opportunity stage. Now it's time to enter the specifics of the new stage. Start by typing in the stage name. This is what your team will see in the drop-down menu when they're updating opportunities, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. Next, choose the type of the stage. You can select from Open, Closed Won, or Closed Lost. This helps in categorizing the stage based on its position in the sales cycle. Another important aspect is setting the probability percentage. This represents how likely it is that the opportunity will be successfully closed at this stage. It's a useful metric for forecasting and planning, so consider your typical sales process when assigning this number. Finally, map your new stage to a forecast category. This step is crucial for reporting and analytics, as it determines how opportunities in this stage are represented in forecasts. Once you've entered all the necessary information, go ahead and click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new opportunity stage in Salesforce. This customization will help ensure that your sales pipeline accurately reflects the steps necessary for closing deals, making your processes more efficient and effective. By tailoring Salesforce to fit your specific needs, you're setting the stage for better tracking and management of your sales efforts. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.